Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you all the option with select menu. So we are done with the type menu, so let's start using all the options. So we're going to start from the first option which is available here, which is all. So everything under select menu is used for the purpose of selecting the object from artboard. So I'm going to draw this rectangle shape and I'm going to get my selection tool, Control C, Control V to make a copy so I can show you the selection. Here with this menu. So the first option here we have this all and the shortcut is Control plus A. I can select everything in my artboard. If you click at that, so it's going to select everything in artboard. I can use the shortcut which I'm going to hold Control A, so it's going to select everything. So the next option here we have this all on active artboard. So the shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus A. What is actually active artboard? So first I'm going to click on this artboard option so I can make another artboard right here. So Control C, Control V. Now if I want to select any object from the active artboard, so once you need to click on active artboard here, and then you need to go to the select menu and click on all on active artboard. So it's going to select everything in this artboard. And if I want to select anything with this artboard, so you need to click once on this artboard. Next you need to go to the select menu and click on all on active artboard. So it's going to select everything in that artboard. So this is how this option is work right here with select menu. So here we have this reselect. If I want to reselect, so I can use the shortcut which is Control plus select. So we have deselect, we have reselect. So I'm going to click on reselect. So it's going to reselect everything. I can click on deselect. The shortcut for deselect is Shift plus Control plus A. So I can click at that. So it's going to deselect here. And I can click on reselect. And also we have this inverse. If I'm going to select these two and I'm going to click on inverse, so as you can see it's going to select this one. I can click on inverse as well, so it's going to select these two shapes. So here we have two more options with select menu. So the first one is next object above. The shortcut for that is Alt plus Control plus close open bracket. It's not a close, but this one is, which is this next object below. You can use this Alt plus Control plus close bracket. So I can click on next object above. So first I'm going to select this object, and if I want to select the object above, it's not going to, but I can click on next object below. So now I can click on next object above. But if you select this one, so now I need to click on next object below, next object above, which is going to select this one. So now I can just click on next object below. So here we have the same selection that I can select the same, which I'm going to apply the appearance on any object. If you apply the same this appearance attribute on any object, blending mode or fill stroke, let's try to select the same blending mode. So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply this blending mode to this one. So let's try to apply this multiply, Control C, Control V. So I'm going to change the color. I can click on blending mode. So now as you can see, the two objects here with this blending mode which is applied on these two objects is now selected. So same, which I just use this option to select only blending mode, I can just go with fill and stroke. I can go with fill, color, opacity. If you apply more than one, not only it's going to be one object, but if there is more than 2 or 3, 4, 5, so it's going to select everything. Let's try to make another. Control C, Control V. So I'm going to change the color, something like this. Now if I want to select all the blending mode, so I'm going to click at that. So as you can see, we have the first blending, we have the second, and we have the third. So this is how we can select the same thing which we apply on objects like blending mode, fill and stroke, fill, color, opacity, stroke, color, stroke width, graphic style, shape, and we have the symbol, instance, and link, block, series. Even you can go with the text, not only for the shape, you can go with the text which you can use for the font family. You can go with font family and style, font family, style, and size. You can select the same font size, you can select the same text fill color, you can select the text stroke color, you can select the text fill and stroke color. So here we have the object as well, which you can use all on same layers. If you click at that, in the same layers is going to select everything. You can select all the direction handles if you want to select the object with direction handles, and you can select the bristol, brush stroke, strokes, this brush strokes, clipping masks if you want to select all the clipping masks. And here we have the stray points you want to select, and you can select all text objects, you can select the point type objects, you can select the area type objects. So you already know about these things, which is this brush, which is this stray points, all text objects, point type, area type. So this is how you can use this option to select in your artboard. So here we have this start global edit. So what's that? Let me delete everything. So I'm going to draw this rectangle shape. So as you can see here, we have the colors, and if I want to just see the global edit right here, so you have to double click, and here we have this global. So you have to turn on this global and click on OK. So with the select, if there is more global, so you can just click on start global edit. Let's deselect this. So as you can see now, if you click on start, so it's going to select all the global here. So if you select this one, and if I want to select all the other global edits here as well, so I'm going to click on start global edit. So it's going to select the rest of the global edit colors as well. So you can click on stop global edit. I can just change the color, or I can just go here and stop global edit. And also here we have this save selection. If you click on save selection, so it's going to save the selection. Now if you select this one, and if I want to go with the save selection, which is right here, I can just edit, or I can just click on select selection. It's going to find me the save it selection right here, which is this object, as I saved right here, which is this selection one. I can just edit selection as well, so I can delete this, I can name it, and I can just hit OK. This is how we used all the options with select menu. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.